Hello everyone, welcome back to English Affinity. Do you want to speak English fluently but feel stuck? Don't worry, today I'll share 5 simple tips to help you speak English easily and confidently. Let's start. Fluency comes from practice. Listen to English every day, videos, songs, or short stories. Then try to speak what you hear. Even if it's just one sentence, say it loud. Stop translating in your mind. Start with simple words. For example, if you see the sun, just think sun, not your own language. If you are drinking tea, think I'm drinking tea. This will help your brain think in English faster. Don't wait for big, perfect sentences, just speak simply. For example, instead of I would like some water, just say I want water. Instead of may I borrow your pen, say can I use your pen. Simple English, fluent English. You don't need a partner, just talk to yourself in English. For example, in the morning, say I'm getting ready. Before eating, say this food is tasty. This is a fun and easy way to practice English. Many people don't speak because they fear mistakes, but mistakes are good. Every mistake helps you learn.